So the importance of gut health in your wellness journey is very, very big. In my clinical experience, great gut health and really improving one's gut health solve so many things intrinsically for a patient, such as cognitive issues, fatigue, skin issues, mood. At Hydration Room, with our multimodality approach, I love to integrate peptides to accomplish this with patients and their gut health. And what are peptides? So peptides are small chains of amino acids or chemical messengers that work with our own body systems. And at Hydration Room, our goals are to help with one's inflammation, to decrease inflammation, because if you can decrease inflammation, you can really help with gut absorption, mineral absorption, vitamin absorption. So we combine 3 different peptides here at Hydration Room: KPV, BPC, and TB500. BPC-157 really helps with gut line repair, it helps with nutrient absorption, and it has strong anti-inflammatory effects. KPV is a very strong anti-inflammatory peptide, and in my clinical experience, it works very well with BPC-157. TB500 is a broad spectrum peptide that adds an extra anti-inflammatory role. It also has been shown to help stimulate immune support. Peptides aren't quick fixes. They're tools that can be integrated thoughtfully into a long-term wellness plan. The factors that may help are sleep, eating well, good exercise program, and these are things I see that may make the peptides most effective.